walk you through some of these, and then you can stop the video and retry if you need to. Okay, so we're working on this one. Hopefully you're going to find h of 60. That's what we're working on right now. I've told you how to do that. You can compare your height to Everest, and then what you want to do is you want to say, why is this model not good all the way up to h is 60? And then when you're looking at the graph, right, this is the graph when I'm zoomed in. How a domain, right? Domain is the possible x values. Where do you think it should stop? Should it stop at go from 0 to 10? Should it go 0 to maybe 15? What makes a reasonable, if this is our roller coaster, when should it be done, right? That's the domain. So limit the domain of that function and you'll finish that problem. All right, then we're down here. It wants to know a cubic function. You said here's cubic, and we have 1, 2, 3 turns. I want you to look on Desmos and see if you have 3 turns, is that a cubic? So try a cubic function. Do you get 3 turns with a cubic function, or do you need something bigger to get 3 turns? Because how many turns you see will help you know the degree. All right, the roller coaster here, you have it graphed where it's increasing and decreasing. The relative mins and maxes, so 9 is done. The end behavior is up to down, but you have down to down right now, so you need to check to see what that is, right? If we have 4th degree negative, is that really up to down or maybe down to down? So fix 10. Here you haven't done it at all. It says it's a 2-minute ride, right? So, and now we have to kind of change. Is it, where are we dealing with t? You have to look at the function. Is t in seconds or is it minutes? Is this a good model, why or why not? And then for 12, you need to review synthetic division. And synthetic division is going to help you because the remainder when you do synthetic division. So if I divide 8 into this function and I use synthetic division, whatever remainder I get is the evaluation on 8 seconds. So you're going to do this 4 times. And then I think, so then it says, Diane loves coasters. Her favorite coaster is modeled by here. It says 8 seconds. And the ride comes out of a loop. Graph this polynomial. I think you can do that. Is it a good model from 0 to 8? At what time is the coaster 50 feet? Explain how you find your answer. Right, and then this one, you can go back and reopen lessons. This is showing that you really learned what's in here. How can I use the rational zeros test? This was something we learned. Go back in your notes. Use the rational zeros test. Locate all the zeros, and then ask yourself, if I find the zeros, or if I find 3 zeros, then there's not any non-real zeros. If I don't find 3, this is cubed, right? So in a cubic function, I need 3 zeros. If I don't have 3 real zeros, then I have to have some non-real zeros.